Are you ready to test your English? Let's start the reading quiz. Good luck! Part 1. Read the passage carefully. Pause the video if you need more time. Part 2. Answer the questions about the passage. Good luck! Question 1. What is Atlantis most famous for, according to the passage? Question 2. What does the passage suggest about the story of Atlantis? Question 3. Why do some people doubt the existence of Atlantis? Question 4. What does the story of Atlantis symbolize for many people? Question 5. What major event is said to have destroyed Atlantis? Question 6. What does the word civilization in the passage mean? Question 7. What does the word vanished mean in the context of the passage? Question 8. The phrase extensive searches most likely means. How'd you do? Share your score in the comments. Thanks for watching.